What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is May the 30th of May, and I wanted to do a little quick unboxing just so you can see something that I got for myself and let you see what it is. You know what I mean? So I haven't really looked at them, but I got these. I ordered them, but it came in the mail before. It came in the mail. One of them came when I made it back home from Florida, and the other one came when I was out of town. And I had one of my friends pick it up for me because I looked on my camera. I said, "Hey, I need somebody to come pick it up." But this is from, as you see, Vista Print. I got some business cards from Vista Print. I want y'all to see what it look like. Open this one up. It's supposed to be let you see what it is, what it do. Every time. Okay. So the first thing is my massage business, the team of Me Bodywork. Because, you know, your boy has did, it shows that I graduated school, I did deep tissue, Swedish, NMT, and chair massage. So I was licensed to do those. I graduated school for those. So those are the ones I'm going to be doing when I start my business up. That's what I'm going to be knocking out. So holla at your boy, you know what I mean? About to get ready to start picking up the business for the massage so I can help people bodies and stuff, get their body right, and try to help them out. So I'm going to get into their body work. So that's that first one. Let's see what this other one is about. If I can find. All right. If we can find what. Remember, I tell you, get the handy dandy. It will cut everything in the box, but it won't cut you. Let's see what it is. Okay. This right here, you know how people be you want to send stuff in the mail and you need a stamp. Let me see if it shows up. This right here is a stamp. It is a stamp of my address. So let me see if it works. I don't see my address. Probably gotta do it on a sheet of paper or something. Let me see. I wanna see if it worked. See if it worked. I guess, do I need to hold it? Oh, there you go. So I stamped it, and you see it comes up with my name, my YouTube name, and it comes with the address for where you can send my stuff, or where I'm sending my stuff. They have my address. So this is cool. This is what I'm going to be using. I have two of these. So that way, if I want to mail stuff off, I can just stamp it and just go on about my business. So I got two of them. So I'm not going to open it because I don't need it right now. But I do got two, which is awesome. Awesome. And the next one. They sent it to me in 2 boxes. The printables are endless. It comes with those stuff inside. Let you know. It says you get 50% off orders over 200, which I guess because I ordered something already. So, and then also they do designs and stuff. We put your stuff on hats, shirts, and stuff, pins, which is cool. This right here gets a code, just so let me know where my other stuff is located at, which is cool. And let's see what's the other one. Let's see what this other one is. I wanted to take it with me when I went to Florida, but I didn't have it with me. These right here, check this out. See that? This right here is my YouTube channel. It's the cover at the beginning at the top of my YouTube channel. It is and then on the back, it had my QR code. So it got the TheJ Jordan YouTube channel, and under it, it says fitness. It says fitness, life, outdoor entertainment, and motorcycle. And it say I'm over here from Georgia, and it also have my handle name. It said at TheJ_Jordan. So if you scan it, you be able to go to my channel. So let's see if the scan, but you know what I gotta do first, I gotta make sure the scan works, see if it works. So I'm gonna go get my phone, get one of my phones and scan it and see if the QR code works. I scanned it, went straight to my YouTube channel. All I gotta do is just send you my card, and you can scan it and go straight to my channel. So it's gonna be very convenient, you know what I mean? But I do like this. That's jumping nice though. The TheJ Jordan YouTube channel. It got my pictures on there. I'm telling you, I like that. So this is what these are two things I got in the mail. On the back part, it have my number, and also where you can set, you want to write down your appointment date. You can write down your appointment date, time, and for what kind of massage that you want to do. That's what I got on the back of the card. But on the front of the card, you got the team of Me Bodywork, and we also have the TheJ Jordan YouTube channel. So this is what I have. So I definitely appreciate y'all stopping by to check this out, let you see what I have for my unboxing. And I will drop it later today so you can see what it's about. And I gotta get ready for the Spartan, which is on June the 9th. And it's gonna be in Indiana. So when I'm out there, I'm gonna try to link up with like my friend, military friend Murphy, and also I know Miss T with T's down there. And she helped me get the room, so I definitely appreciate her for helping me with the room. So I'll try to link up with her as well. But with that being said, that's what I have for my unboxing. And whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own modification, stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And you know, like I always say fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh wee, yeah.